Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Ang baktas-baktas ta diri nga side. Ay, gakit dito guys. This is the gakit. Pwede kang magsakay-sakay dira. Ugmarak maligo guys. Tomorrow I will ligo, but not now because it's raining. May bangka diya guys. There is a bangka. Ay, pamboat. There's a pamboat over there. Oh, na sila floating cottage. There's the bangka there. And there. So, we're walking now in the Pantalan. So, I'm almost here. Hello, hello. Hello. I'm here with my relatives here. Oh, see? They're namasol, and they are ligoing. Say hi to my vlog.
Say hi to your vlog.
Say hi, Ding.
Say hi, Ding.
Nani siya, oh. So, hello. So, ni anak ka diri, guys. Wow, nice a view. And there, oh. Lego. So, naa sila kuha guys, isda. There. Wow, it's a talakitok. Oh, gamay nga talakitok. Badok, say hi to my vlog. Say hi. So, namingwit siya guys. Mingaw man daw guys, oy. Oh, mingaw man daw. Oh, moro tayo lang ko guys, isa ka talakitok. So, caution slippery when wet. Oh, naihagdanan diri guys. And our two nangadto sila dito guys, oh. Naigakit dito ang side. So, na sila dito. So, kanay sa view. What a very beautiful view there. So, musaka ta diri Oh, naihagdanan diri, musaka ta diri. OMG. Pwede ka mo dive dira. Oh, pwede ka mo dive diha. So, what a very nice scenery there. Oh, wow. There, oh, there's the mountain. There's the boat. And there's a house. And there. So, ka-nice. Ka-enjoy. Ka-very nice a view. Oh, diba? Oh, diba? Oh, hello. Ka-enjoy sa nature. There's the sea. There's the mountain. The mountain. And there is me. Here is me. So, nada sila guys. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi to your vlog.
Enjoy kayo sila guys. And it's raining. Pero taligsik lang. So, kadto lang. Thanks for watching. Bye!